Hey friends, welcome to Mike's Maintenance Minute, presented by Cozy Camper. Every month I'll bring you a quick tip to keep your RV running smoothly, save you money on repairs, and make your travels more comfortable. Today we're talking about something every RVer should do, but many overlook, and that's maintaining your RV air conditioner. Your RV air conditioner works hard to keep you cool, but just like your residential or commercial air conditioners, it needs attention. First, let's talk about the filters. Your RV air conditioner has a filter, and that filter will need to be cleaned about once per month. This can be done very easily by taking it down, vacuuming it out, or washing it. The other part is the exterior coils, and these will need to be cleaned about once a year. Dust, dirt, and even bugs can build up on your coils, which reduces airflow. When that happens, heat transfer drops, efficiency is reduced, wear and tear increases, and your coils can begin to freeze. Regular coil cleanings will extend the life of your RV air conditioner and improve its efficiency and keep you cool. The bottom line here is clean your filters monthly and your coils at least once per year. If you do these things, you'll avoid expensive breakdowns and keep your RV cool when you need it the most. If you want step-by-step instructions about how to do this, we've got a full tutorial inside the Cozy Camper Academy. If you found this helpful, make sure you sign up for our newsletter. You'll get maintenance tips, RV insights, and exclusive content sent straight to your inbox. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels for more tips just like this one. If you want to learn more about your RV, check out the Cozy Camper Academy. It's the online RV owner education hub where RV owners just like you learn more about their RVs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next month.